Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide the background art pause button in Squarespace. This is a useful customization if you want a cleaner, more minimalist look for your website without that pause button appearing over your background media. First, open your web browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the website you want to modify. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to hide the background art pause button. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Click on Website. This is your main hub for managing all the core elements of your site. Under the Website section, click on Pages. This will expand to show you more customization options related to how your site is structured and styled. From the options that appear, locate and click on Custom Code on the left side. This section allows you to add custom CSS and JavaScript to modify the appearance and behavior of your site beyond the standard settings. Within Custom Code, click on Custom CSS. This is where you'll be able to inject specific styling rules to control visual elements like the pause button. At this point, if you navigate to your site preview, you'll notice that the pause button is currently visible over your background art. To hide it, you'll need to use a specific CSS code. I have the code ready here, and feel free to pause the video if you'd like to copy it down for your own use. Now simply copy the code and paste it directly into the custom CSS field. Once you paste it in, you should immediately see the result in your preview. The pause button will no longer be visible over your background art, giving your site that cleaner, more polished appearance you were aiming for. Finally, make sure to click Save at the top or bottom of the custom CSS panel. This ensures that your changes are applied and will be visible to anyone who visits your site going forward. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the background art pause button in Squarespace using custom CSS. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.